welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this style, do keep on watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get on with the video. So I use the Freetress bohemian braid. I use different colors. So I use TT30, TT33, TP4/30 and TP1B/27. So this is the hair that I used. So as you can see, I have parted my hair for easier braiding, and then I started with, I think it's TT30. So I started with parting my hair. Then as you can see, my hair already has some growth, which is actually the best thing, especially when you're braiding, when you have relaxed hair. Do it when you have some growth so that it doesn't cause breakage to your real relaxed hair. So it's not advisable to do your hair like braids when your hair is newly relaxed. So you have to wait for a little bit of growth, which is good for your hair. And then you can see here I'm starting to plait a single braid, of which I'm going to crochet the Freetress hair into. As I said, when you have growth, it's actually better, especially when you're doing like passion twist braids, because then you'll just crochet into and now braid your hair like that. So plaiting my hair like the 3-strand braid until where I'm comfortable, especially like where my growth ends. Then from then on, I use like a hair wax to twist the braid down. So for natural hair, definitely this method works, as you know, for both relaxed and natural hairs, because the hair does not sleep at all. You won't be worried of it becoming loose or anything, because you've already made your anchor braid, which is braiding your hair fast. Then for natural, if you're worried like your hair is going to freeze up when you twist it because of the two different textures of your hair and the braid, it's advisable that you braid the 3-strand braid until where like your hair ends, then do the twist afterward, so that you can enjoy the style fully. And also there's a style where you can actually, as you braid the 3-strand braid, you can leave like pieces of hair out. It's called a tree braids, if you really want the curly part of the hair to be seen from the roots. But here we're just doing simple passion twists throughout the hair. So pretty much, I feel like I've said a lot, but yeah, it's much needed. So you can see here, just as I had said earlier, you crochet, make it a little bit, neater, but not too tight. And then plait it into 3-strand braid until where you're comfortable, and then twist it down pretty much. And to maintain this style, it's good to have some mousse and also some spray, because the hair will tend to look a little bit dull. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And what else? Okay, I used 4 packs, though I got 5 packs. 4 packs are more than enough, especially if you want single, like a little bit mini twists. 4 packs are enough. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and the results that I got out of it. Hope you get to try it, and yeah, till next time.